Hey guys, so it's Nicole's birthday and this is our first birthday as a couple. Well, actually, we had our first date last year, 2 days before her birthday. So technically, we celebrated her previous birthday together. Even though we weren't really a couple, we just got on one date. We had to celebrate Nicole's birthday in Portugal, which for me has been kind of stressful because I want to make a big deal about Nicole's birthday, make her feel loved and that I care about her and make her feel special. But I'm in Portugal and I'm living out of a backpack and I don't really know what to do. So I brought a couple gifts with me in the backpack that were small enough to carry with. And myself, Reinhard, and Kirsten have gotten together to celebrate Nicole's birthday in a few different ways here at Novotero in Portugal. So stick with me here for today's vlog and let's see how Nicole's birthday goes and let's find out if she actually feels loved, if she likes it or not. We'll find out. Let's go. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday. Let me save your tag right here.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
What do they sing in Germany for birthday time?
Happy birthday, we sing.
The same song?
Yes.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday! Hey! Epa!
What is the meaning of EPA?
Epa! Epa! I don't know! It sounds good and everyone is hearing on this and everyone is reacting.
Yes.
Epa! Epa! Huh?
And who is this?
This.
Is this Jumper?
Yes. Ima Biotto Scotch Sun. He is a real quarter horse.
Mm.
He comes from America, but he was born in Canary Island. Epa! Epa! Epa!
Clean the shoes. Pedicure.
Yeah. Epa! Epa!
My sister and I, this was our favorite thing to do when we went to my grandparents, was to brush the horses.
Mm-hmm.
She would always stand on one side, I would stand on the other side.
When you were how old? 10 years ago?
I was a little bit younger when I used to take care of horses, so I don't know. I was 12, 13.
You understand English? Or it's better when I talk with you in German? Huh? But your language is around the world, huh? So horses only have one language, huh? It's completely equal if they are Portuguese or Hanover, German, Spanish, American or Norwegian. So they know every language. They don't have to learn Esperanto, huh? Or something else.
What is Esperanto?
Esperanto. Esperanto is a language planted by human, so that when everyone will learn this language, we can talk with each one of the world. So, and when we can talk with everyone, so I would say we don't fight with each other. So we talk and share our experience. They live only, absolute only in the present moment. They don't take care of the past and they don't live any illusions in the future. So they are only in this moment, now and here. Okay, Mr. Jumper and everything. Okay, back, 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 back. Fantastic. Now we go left, left, left. Okay, fantastic. On, oh, on back, back, on right side. Okay, on we go. On we go. Now we run. Okay. Okay. Maybe your legs are a little bit too short. Yeah. But it's okay. So. When you want to go in trotte, you make both. Clack, clack, clack.
Okay.
And when you want to go with him in galoppe, then you make kusi kusi. Okay? Okay, so that he goes straight. Move him, move him. Yeah, come, boy, come. Yeah, this is good. It's good for relaxing. Come, boy.
Yeah.
For example, I say ho,
Oh.
ho, and Epa!
I'm gonna eat.
Mr. Pony Boy, why you are laughing, huh? What is this? And I think we have to hit the pizza oven.
Let's do it.
The pizza, handmade, a vegan pizza with vegan cheese, with vegan meat. All is vegan, and we made it in the old Weiss, in the eggs oven, in the old stone oven from Portugal. When a horse is vegan, and he has so many muscles,
Strength and power.
so powerful,
Yeah.
so I think we don't need meat. So, and this is what I learned.
Goodbye.
Don't forget our key right there.
Oh yes.
What is it?
Oh, I had to go all the way back.
What do you think?
I think I can't wait to have a horse.
Yeah, we need to have enough land where we can rescue some.
Yes.
Wow.
Incredible.
Hey,
Oh my gosh. Was that him farting?
he has power, huh?
Yeah. He's going to find them.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah, oh, look at those colors. Wow. Okay, we are back here at the main house at Novatero after the horseback riding expedition for Nicole's birthday. And they had this incredible natural brick oven that was made from rock that was found here on the property. And we have stocked it full of dry firewood, and we are planning to make vegan oven roasted Portuguese, German, Canadian, American pizzas with seitan and vegan cheese, and all cooked inside this Portuguese stone oven. There we go. So Reinhard, the fire is going strong, and there's no chimney. It's coming out of the same hole and going up. And this is, you said?
Yes, this is a typical Portuguese forno. Forno, it's oven. It's a pizza oven or for baking bread. On the other side, he has a hole, also a hole for the fresh air. So he takes the fresh air from the other side. It burns a lot. Heat up all this material, and the steam comes out here in the front. And after some time, when it's heated, so the fire is going down, and then we put in the pizza. In the beginning, you have to have a good temperature around 250 degrees.
Okay.
So when you have 250 degrees, the pizza is perfect. Okay.
Okay.
So you only need 5, 6, 7 minutes for a pizza.
And this is not going to be catching the house on fire, being so close to the house.
No, everything is stone. Stones also in Portugal, normally not burning.
Yes. There's stone everywhere here.
Yes.
You're assisting with your own birthday cake.
Yes, I am. I wanted to know how it was made.
Okay, pour the cashew cheesecake into the crust. Oh, it's gonna be perfect amount. Perfect. It's so smooth.
Yes.
One of the best parts of this cheesecake raw vegan recipe is that there's always leftover cashew cheese, and the cook gets to have the extra. Here's the pizza crust made by Kirsten, and it smells so good. And we'll be putting our pizzas on there and putting it into the fire. It's now nighttime, and our oven is hot. Portuguese brick oven is ready.
I like this kind of cooking. It's fantastic.
Very traditional.
Yeah.
Before the oven, look at the masterpiece. This is like better than Picasso. Wow.
It goes like this one.
So now the finished result. Just after 5 minutes in the oven. Just in the picture. Very nice. And now we have the raw vegan cheesecake with the hazelnut almond date crust and the cashew meat with the raspberry berry puree. There you go.